Alright, a little quick buddy update. It's December 14th, 6:10 a.m. approximately. Um, the door is fully closed. He's not screaming anymore. However, so I had cats as a kid, and I'm 53, going to be 54 here soon. And uh, we have a cat door. Now, definitely, I'd say at least 25 years ago, my parents had to put the cats down. But my dad had installed this door and was blocked by that. We had raccoons coming into the house, so it was quite interesting. What I've realized is when I would try to close the door with him in the house, he seemed like he was looking for airflow. So that was blocking that. And he's used to coming into that. But now, look at where he's standing. And what I've realized is, since I took that away from that and opened that up and closed that, he goes over there. Seriously, I just got a meow. Meow? Okay. Alright, we're good. So anyway, we might have had a major breakthrough with my homie, Buddy the cat, because of the cat door. I'm cleaning out my mom's basement slowly but surely, so all this is scrap crap. So, anyway, thank you all. I got a big surgery Monday, so love you. Be safe.